Hello, this is Maria with WTI.
Let me tell you why I love this Logitech K120 black keyboard. This has the exact width and size to make me feel comfortable while typing, and it also looks very good with my black PC monitor and speakers. I really like that I'm able to reach all of the keys without having to move my hand too much to be able to reach the alphanumeric keys. And the same for the numeric keypad. With my right hand, I can reach all of the numbers and symbols without making any extra effort. I've had this keyboard for more than 2 years now, and as you can see, it still looks almost brand new. It hasn't peeled off anywhere and still looks very shiny, even though I clean it often to avoid it accumulating dust. And that's also very easy to do because it has just the exact space that I need to go in between the keys to get it properly cleaned. This is perfect for my home office. I definitely recommend it.
And that's my point of view.